Hi everyone, today we are going to see one case study titled on Evolution of Diagnostic and Therapeutic Equipment in Modern Healthcare. So in this case study video, the student is going to discuss on what is the challenges being faced in healthcare technology. So mainly they are focusing on one company, that is MedTech Solution. Let's see what are the challenges being faced by this MedTech Solution, and where the student is going to share their opinion and the suggestions how to overcome these challenges. Let's see this case study now.
So, as Sam said, in recent years there is a lot of revolution occurring in diagnostic and therapeutic equipment, and this is mainly due to the improvised technology which is available. And in this demanding healthcare technology, precision is more important. So, some good companies which stand out for their precision and accuracy are GE Healthcare, Philips, and also Siemens Healthineers. They are cutting-edge technologies, provide proper accurate results, and this would improve the patient outcome, and also the cost is also very convenient. But there is one such company called MedTech which was introduced in 2005, and it was also a key player on diagnostic equipments. There were a lot of diagnostic equipments like MRI and CT, but over a period of time they have also come up with therapeutic equipments for cancer treatments and proton therapy and all. But still they couldn't be emerging as like Siemens or Philips. It is because of the challenges which they face in their upcoming things, which will be discussed in this discussion.
Yeah, the main challenges they are facing is to compete with the market analysis. So whenever
first case is
market analysis. So whenever we reaching a new device on the market, it will be compete to another like Healthineers and the Siemens company. So that is the main thing the company first to be faced. The second thing, which is global market expansion. So whenever we develop a model and implement on the society, it will be reached to all over the global countries. So that is not a simple thing. We need to contact with some more governments and NGOs. So these are the main challenges they are facing.
So first two key issues or challenges being faced by MedTech Solution is one is market differentiation,
global expansion.
Second one is global expansion. So what is what are the other key challenges being faced by MedTech Solution?
So the next one is regulatory approval process. So the MedTech Solution primarily focus on European and North American countries. So even though they have the product have a potential to appear on worldwide, but MedTech Solution didn't have much strategies to do that. So the next one is the adaptation and training.
So what are the different strategies or techniques you will be implemented to overcome this type of issues? Can you give any suggestion or solution? We will start with this market differentiation.
So though MedTech has a potential to come up with a groundbreaking product which combines all kind of portable devices in one single equipment, for example MRI, CT, all in one device in 2020, but they still face these kind of issues. So these might be common in a lot of marketing and manufacturing companies. So one is market differentiation. For example, if there is a product, the company should address the unique value proposition. So they should stand out of the others by introducing these kind of unique value propositions, such that people will come to know what is the better one available in the other one. And also the companies should primarily focus on healthcare providers, which are doctors and nurses. They should address the empathy from them and collect it to runaways the product efficiently. So meeting a unique value proposition and also healthcare providers would be the best one for market differentiation.
Yes, what this one is right. So if you are concentrating on these two, in addition to the value proposition, that means in terms of branding and promotion, you can expand your market. You can have some uniqueness. You can show some uniqueness and different from the other companies. So in this way, you can attract clients and more opportunities. So what would be the second key issues and how can you be addressed?
For global expansion, we will be tie and collab with the NGOs and governments.
Yes, right. That's very good. So next one is Regulatory approval and compliance, because since we are dealing with the medical device, it is this particular issues plays a very important role, because if you are not complying with this regulatory approvals, your product can't be commercialized. You can't bring up into the market. So in what way you can clear this one, regulatory approvals?
So by having proper ISO certification and making partnership with the regulatory consultant will be helpful for them.
Yes, very good. Last one, adaptations and then training.
A successful device is not just the product itself, but the healthcare provider should know to use the product. So healthcare providers might be given certain programs or awareness education programs to how to use the product and how to adapt with the new technologies, because they might not be aware with emerging technology. So letting them know about how to use the product will be helpful for them to come up with this challenge.
So education programs and awareness. And maybe the equipment should be user friendly. Yes, I think you have given a very good strategy and solution for this different sort of issues. Now I would like to give anyone summary of this case study.
So the company which we have chosen is MedTech Solutions, which is a company which was founded in 2005. Though it has a potential product which is like overall diagnostic in single equipment, they were not able to stand out in the cutting edge technologies like Siemens and Philips. So they had these kind of issues like market expansion, globally getting recognized, regulatory approvals, and also training and adaptation programs. So we have given the suitable preventive or strategies to adapt with them to stand out in
unique way to make their product commercialized. So I think this particular case study may be useful for the people like who are running startups and facing challenges to bring their product in commercialized. So I think this particular strategy may be useful for those people. Thank you.